They tell us this tool will perform 33 different functions. One tool this size that fits in your pocket, 33 different functions. So Scott, why bring up a tool that has so many functions? Because a properly structured infinite banking concept system of accounts also similarly performs many financial functions simultaneously. Very unique product that does this. Let me tell you about Wellington's unique approach to bringing you, the client, up to speed and understanding what this. We place a premium on training. We want you to be well trained. To do so, we follow something called the process principle. This means we are absolutely committed to a process for two reasons. Number one, we want this to be comprehensive, right? So every single aspect of your financial plan, we want to address and we want to coordinate it. Most people do not have a coordinated financial plan. It's not coordinated tax-wise. It's not coordinated as far as their age and distributions and when retirement's coming versus accumulation phase. It's not coordinated as far as acquisitions and things they need to buy. Our plan coordinates all those different areas, so it's comprehensive. It's also consistent, which means we train our advisors every single time to take the client through the same process. Those process has 6 phases. It's learning, maximizing, applying, qualifying, funding, first time money ever changes hands right here, and then sharing. If we do our service to you properly and you're absolutely thrilled with what we do, we ask you to not keep us a secret. Real quickly, on the learning phase, that's what we're doing right now. We start off at a 30,000 foot view and we get very specific to talk a little bit more about you. If you like what you hear and like what you see, then we move to the next phase. I will book an appointment on your behalf to set you up with our team of cash flow management experts. They will be able to adjust, improve, change, redirect according to your desires, your objectives, cash coming in your system and going out of your system. What we've learned is that if you control the banking function in your life, it is the most powerful financial strategy in the United States, bar none, full stop. There is nothing more powerful. Stock market investing doesn't come close. Private equity firms don't come close to what we can consistently deliver for our clients. And just think about every time a bank, a regular traditional bank, receives money, a deposit, they make money. Every time money goes out the door in the form of a loan, they make money, right? So always, no matter where money is in the cycle, they're profiting from it. You can do the same thing, and we'll help you do that. So when it comes to this phase, the maximize phase, we use something called the circle of wealth. And this document, this graphic shows all the phases that we help a client walk through in the circle of wealth system, all the different steps. So that's all in Maximize. If you love it, we believe you will. Then you'll want to apply. That's your choice, of course. When you apply, then it goes into our underwriting department where we'll help you get qualified. The qualification phase normally takes about a couple of weeks. It could take a little bit longer, but we will get you qualified and we'll keep you updated. Then comes the funding. That's when money will actually transfer from your bank account into the privatized banking system in your name that you have set up. Nothing happens until that point, so you have no risk and no obligation. And then finally, we believe you'll be thrilled and you'll want to share this with others. So when you find the perfect financial tool that will complete multiple functions simultaneously, you'll want to share that with other people.